Hey guys, it's Elena, and today I'm going to do a slime satisfying video. So, let's get started. Alright, so, and it's also going to be mixed with a challenge. So, I'm going to try a bunch of different slime things. But it's not really a challenge. But yeah, you get it. To make it. Never tried doing this thing. Fail or success? Honestly, I think it's a fail. Now time for a bubble. Sorry, I thought I heard my grandma and grandpa coming by. Now I'm gonna try and do this bubble. Now my friend from my school, Riley, if you're watching this, which I know you are, I didn't replace you with a friend at school. I'm gonna do a bubble. So to do this, I didn't catch it. No, it's a fail. But it did. People come back here. Let's try that again. I want to try almost everything until I get it successful, but I didn't try the first one thing. I don't know. So I'm just going to try and make a bubble. Success. Kind of. I'm just going to see it was. Alright. Now. Oh, maybe it's too much light. Can't get so much light in here just in case. Oh yeah, this is a perfect angle. Moving on to the next slime, which is this slime. Now, I'm going to try and get it. Oh, okay, too many of them flew everywhere. So, time for the doggy pile. Whatever, I don't know. This definitely success. It was a success. Now I'm going to try and make a bubble. Now, you guys stay tuned for the rest of the week's videos because I'm going to be posting every day because I'm going to be making a video every day. Bubble success. Now, we pop the bubbles. Now the last one is the worst slime that I've ever had because it's dried up now. You guys can't even see it. One second. Let me redo this. Perfect. Okay. Hoping for a tripod for Christmas, so I can start making more videos. Right, that was a success. Now on to the last one, which I don't think I'm going to be able to do anything with it because it's so dried up. But we're gonna try and stretch this as far as we can. It's gonna break, I have a feeling. Alright, let's just go with this. It's as long as we got. Fail. There's the doggy thing. Whatever. Time to make a bubble, which we can't. So let's go ahead and say it. Fail. Okay. Now I kind of like the noise. Kind of. Just kind of like the noise. But I don't like the slime. So if you guys want this slime and you think you can activate it and get it back to its normal thing, then I will send it to you. Just leave in the comments below if you think you can. And then if you follow me on Instagram, DM me your address, which I swear I won't go to your all's house because, you know, I can't do that. Oh, hold up. We might have progress on the bubble. Oh, and on Instagram, just DM me your address and I'll send it right to you. But I won't go to your house, I promise. Because right after that, I'll delete the address. And hopefully it goes to the trash. Not the thing, but you know what I mean. Okay. Sort of. Oh, good. It's so close, you guys. Look at this purple galaxy color. Still a fail. Because look, when you do that, it don't even pop. Alright, so let's see if we can, which one was voted the most. Alright, in the comments below, which ones you like, the pink, the green, or the purple. My personal favorite, let's just onto the horrible one. It's definitely this one, and this one. This is my least favorite one. This is my second least favorite, and this is my third least favorite. Which, that means I love the green one and the pink one. Stay tuned for the videos this coming week. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, you guys.